YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosita back with another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a DIY lip scrub. But first of all, let me apologize for not posting on Wednesdays. I got caught up, I got busy, and I'm sorry. Second of all, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, what we do isn't an easy job, so shout out to y'all and enjoy the special day. And for all your viewers out there, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't you forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you can be the first one to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's talk and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the ingredients you'll need for this tutorial is sugar. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, both work just as fine. So I have in a little container some white sugar. I did not measure it, so I don't have a measurement to give you guys, but I just eyeballed it. And I eyeballed it based on the container that I'll be using. So my container is this. It came with 3 in a pack. It's $1.25 at the dollar store. So it's pretty small, pretty good for traveling. You'll need some sort of coloring. So I have a little bit of red coloring here, hoping to turn pink obviously with the white sugar. If you do not have red coloring, you can use whatever color you have available. Just keep in mind though that you don't want to have green or blue or whatever, because once you start scrubbing your lips with the lip scrub, it might stain your lips, and if you want to walk around with green or blue lips, hey, that's on you. You'll need some oil, some sort of oil, so you can use coconut oil, virgin olive oil, and almond oil, whatever oil you have available. I'm just going to use coconut oil. That's because this is what I have available to me. Obviously, I melted it, so it's in here. And then lastly, you'll need something for fragrance. So I have French vanilla extract. You can use vanilla, chocolate, whatever extract you like best, that's what you're gonna use. So that's all we'll need for this tutorial. But just before we begin, I would like to say that this tutorial is inspired by Lush. If you guys don't know what Lush is, a handmade, homemade company. It's very big and it's very popular for face masks. It's a very popular company for face masks, lip scrubs, bath bombs, and stuff like that. I generally buy my lip scrubs from there, but then I just looked at the ingredients and it's pretty similar. I'm like, hey, I could just make this myself. So why not? And you know what? I'm on a budget. And I'm not afraid to say, I'm on a budget and I'm trying to save every bit. So I'm like, if I got this in my kitchen, then I could just make it. Lush lip scrubs aren't very expensive. They're about $11, but they're pretty small, so they go pretty fast. Well, for me, they go pretty fast because I just use it every day. And yeah, so it's worth it for me to make it. And plus, Lush is like 45 minutes away from where I live, so I ain't got no time to drive out there for 45 minutes just for a little jar of lip scrubs when I can just make it in.
This ain't new to you, you know.
Alright guys, there you go. Bubblegum lip scrub. It actually smells really nice too, so it all depends on your extract. And oh, one thing I wanted to say is that be very cautious when you're putting in oil or your extract, because you don't want it to be too runny, or else then it's no good. But see, it's a little bit grainy and a little bit damp, not too runny. Alright, that will be it for the video. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and